classes. This is the session 12, chapter 3-dimensional geometry. In this session, we discuss about one more bookwork and its problems. This bookwork from the point of examination ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 4 ಬುಕ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆ 4 ಬುಕ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ ವರ್ಕು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಬುಕ್ ವರ್ಕು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಂದ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯೂಶಲಿ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್, derive the equation of plane passes through 3 non-collinear points both in vector and Cartesian form. This is the equation of plane we have to calculate when they given 3 points. Those 3 points are non-collinear points. The first point call it as A, second point call it as B, third point call it as C. The first point is x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2, x3 y3 z3. That is third point. Every point has position vector. Therefore vector A position vector, this become position vector B, this is position vector C. A, B, C are position vectors of the 3 points. Then the formula is R minus A dot B minus A cross C minus A equals 0. You first two dot second cross third equals 0. Second ಮತ್ತು third ಗೆ you must put a bracket. So R minus A, what is R? Meaning R is the position vector of any point. A is the position vector of the first point. B is the position vector of the second point. And C is the position vector of the third point. The same bookwork, let us take in Cartesian form. In Cartesian form, the 3 point, the first point is A, B, C, points coordinate x1, y1, z1, first point, B, coordinate x2, y2, z2, C, third point, coordinate x3, y3, z3 are the 3 points. The formula is R minus A. R means position vector of any point. Any point ಯಾವುದು x. A ಅಂದರೆ first point x1, x minus x1. Okay? Yes, observe here, x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. That is the first row. B minus A, B minus A. B means second point, A means first point, that is x2 minus x1. Yes, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Next here, similarly x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 determinant equals 0. The equation of plane in Cartesian form when they given 3 points, 3 non-collinear point is a determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Similarly x3 minus x1 dot dot equals 0. This is the equation of a plane when they given 3 points. Let us move on to problem. The problem number 1. Find the vector equations. Alla idu equation. Only one. Find the vector equation of the plane passing through the points. They given 3 points. These 3 points they given, we have to calculate equation of plane only in vector form. What is the equation of plane in vector form? In vector form is we have formula R minus A, okay, dot B minus A cross C minus A bracket equals 0. This is dot, this is cross. R minus A dot B minus A cross C minus A equals 0. This is the vector equation of a plane when they given 3 points. R is the position vector of any point, A is the position vector of given point, B is the position vector of second point, C is the position vector of third point. The given first point, that is the given R 2, 5, minus 3, that is first point, s minus 2, minus 3, 5, third point they given t, the point is 5, 3, minus 3. Every point has position vector implies the position vector of the point R, call it as simple again a anta kodi 2i plus 5j minus 3k. Position vector of the point S can be taken as B, that is minus 2i minus 3j plus 5k. The position vector of the point T, call it as C, 5i plus 3j minus 3k. Let means now assume ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. A means what? Position vector of the point R, B position vector of S, C position vector of the point T. Then substitute these values in this equation of plane. R as it is, R means as it is minus A position vector, that is 2i plus 5j minus 3k. Negative is there, put a bracket. R minus A one bracket ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಲೆ small bracket ಹಾಕೋದಕ್ಕೆ apply flower bracket dot. B minus A, P means here minus B minus A, B in the A na subtraction, minus 2 minus 4i, okay, minus 3 minus 5 minus 8j, 5 plus 3 plus 8k. Bracket, floor bracket start ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ, cross. C minus A, from C to A subtraction, 5 minus 2 3i, 3 minus 5 minus 2j, minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 plus 3 0 plus 0k. Bracket and floor bracket equals 0. So this is the required equation of a plane in vector form. ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡವಾ ಸರ್? ನೋ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನಫ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 2 marks ಆರ್ 3 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೀರಿ, ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ, ನಾಟ್ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಓಕೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Find the equations of planes that passes through 3 points. ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಬೋತ್ ಕಾರ್ಟೀಷಿಯನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಫಾರಮ್, ಎರಡೂ ಕಂಡಿಡಬೇಕು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್, both Cartesian and also vector form we have to calculate. Okay, so given, let call the first point as A equals the given 1 1 minus 1, second point as B, that is 6 4 minus 5, third point as C, the C is minus 4 minus 2 3. Every point as position vector implies, ಇದು equals, ಇದು implies point to position vector ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. Yes, vector A equals I plus J minus K. B position vector equals 6I plus 4J minus 5K. Position vector C equals minus 4I minus 2J plus 3K. These are the position vectors of the 3 given points. Now we have formula. We have formula R minus A dot B minus A cross C minus A, floor bracket equals 0. This is the equation of a plane in vector form. Substitute the values. R as it is, minus A first point, I plus j minus k negative, put a bracket, r minus a bracket, put flower bracket, dot. B minus a, subtract a from b, b in the a column, 6 minus y, the 6i minus I, 5i, 4 minus 1 plus 3j, minus 5 plus 1 plus 4k. Cross, right, cross. C minus a, c in the a na, subtraction, minus 4 minus I, minus 5i, okay, minus 2 minus 3j, 3 plus 1 plus 4k, floor bracket equals 0. Further, no simplification. This is enough. Isthe saku. This is the equation of a plane when they given 3 points in vector form, or this is the vector equation of a plane passes through 3 non-collinear points. Same problem now in Cartesian form. Yes, Cartesian form tagondre, call the first point as x1, y1, z1, calm. Second point is nothing but x2, y2, z2. Third point, call it as x3, y3, z3. Now we have the equation of plane in Cartesian form is determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Third row, x3 minus x1, dot, determinant equals 0. Substitute the values. X as it is, determinant, x, okay, minus x1, 1. This is x1. Y minus y as it is, y1, this is 1. Z minus z1 means minus 1, minus into minus plus 1. So first row is over. Now second row. What is second row? x2 minus x1. Second point minus first point. x2 minus x1. Here 6 minus 1, that is 5. 4 minus 1, 3. Minus 5, minus into minus plus 1. Minus 5 plus 1, 4. Third row, x3 minus x1. Third point minus first point. Okay. x3 minus x1. Minus 4 minus 1, minus 5. Minus 2 minus 1, minus 3. 3 minus into minus plus 1, 4 equals 0. Simplify. Determinant expansion, x minus 1 into more than one term, put a bracket. First column close, 3 4s are 12, minus into minus plus, 1 more minus, minus 12, minus of y minus 1, column close, 5 4s are 20, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus 20. Next plus z plus 1, close, 5 into 3, minus 3, 5 into minus 3, minus 15, minus into minus plus 15 equals 0. Simplify. What happens? X minus 1 into 12 minus 12, 0, minus of y minus 1 into 20 minus 20, 0, plus z plus 1 into minus 15 plus 15, 0. On simplification, we get 0 equals 0. Means there is no Cartesian form of equation. Means the given points are non-collinear alla, they are collinear anta gottagutte. So illi Cartesian form of equation plane baralla bidi. So andre questions wrong ide anta artha. Suppose exam alli kelidru, write as it is, because namage equation barta illa, equation beku andre in terms of x, y, z, at least any one variable irlebeku, but there is no variable, therefore there is no Cartesian form of equation of plane, because the given 3 points are collinear. Okay, write down. Next, question number 3. Find the equations of plane that passes through 3 points. The given 3 points we have to calculate equation of plane, means we have to calculate both vector and Cartesian. Same as previous one, do yourself. ನೀವೇ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, right? Next, question number 4. Find the Cartesian equation of plane that passes through 3 points. First point, second point, third point. We required only Cartesian, right? So call the first point. Let A equals, the point is 1, 2, 1. Second point B, the 2, -3, -4. Third point, call it as C, that is 5, -2, 1. The first point is x1, y1, z1. x1, y1, z1. Second point is x2, y2, z2. Okay. Third point is x3, y3, z3. Okay. Now we have formula. What is the formula? Determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. Second, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Third row, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1. Determinant equals 0. This is the Cartesian form of equation of a plane. Substitute x minus, what is x1? Here x1 means first point. This is x1. x1 means first point 1. Y minus y1 means 2. Z minus z1 means 1. x2 minus x1, second point minus first point. B in the A kalibeku. 2 minus 1, 1. Minus 3 minus 2, minus 5. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. Minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. That is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Third row, x3 minus x1, third point minus first point. x3 minus x1, third point minus first point means C minus A. 5 minus 1, 4, minus 2 minus 2, minus 4, 1 minus 1, 0. Determinant equals 0. Expansion. Yes, first row, x minus 1 into 0, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus 20, minus of y minus 2, put a bracket, 1 into 0, 0, minus into minus plus 20, plus z minus 1 into, third column close, remaining minus 4, minus into minus plus 5 4s are 20 equals 0. Once again, determinant expansion, x minus 1 into, yes, 0, minus into minus plus, 1 more minus, minus 20, minus of y minus 2 into 0, minus into minus plus 20, plus z minus 1 into minus 4 plus 20. Now simplify, x minus 1 minus 20, bracket, minus of y minus 2 into 20 plus z minus 1 into minus 4 plus 20, 16 equals 0. Here 20, 20, 16. 16, 20, 20 divided by 4. So divided by 4. What happens? If you divide by 4, this become minus 4 into x minus 1 minus divided by 4, 5. 4 5s are, okay, minus 5 into y minus 2 plus divided by 4, 4 into z minus 1 equals 0. On further simplification, I will write here minus 5 into x minus 5x minus into minus plus 5 minus 5y minus into minus plus 10 4 into z plus 4z, 4 into minus 1 minus 4 equals 0. Simplify. First to x minus x, next to y minus 5y, next to z plus 4z, next constant 5 plus 10, 15, 15 minus 4 plus 11 equals 0. This is the equation of a plane, but the x term is negative, therefore multiply by minus. What happens? 5x plus 5y minus 4z minus 11 equals 0. This is the equation of a plane in Cartesian form.